Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys my late night laundry routine. So we had just gotten home from dinner that night and the boys had fallen asleep already, so my husband was with them putting them to bed. And here I am just taking off my clothes from the day and just changing into something a little bit more comfortable. So not comfy, comfy. So I'm just separating the clothes into different piles here, and if only I could really do it this quickly. So we had gone to Target that evening, and here I'm just unbagging everything that we got. So as I waited for the laundry, I was replying back to some comments on some of my videos and then also brainstorming with my husband for future videos. He's very helpful when it comes to my videos and what I'm going to film next. And finally, I'm folding the clothes that I had washed. Like I said, guys, I wish I could do it this quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.